P.C. Mahalanobis, father of Indian statistics. On his birthday 29th June, let's remember him and his contribution in the field of statistics. Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis was a pioneering Indian statistician and scientist who made significant contributions to the field of statistics and its application in social planning and economic development. He is widely regarded as the father of Indian statistics. These are his formative years and early contributions. He was born in 1893. P.C. Mahalanobis was born in Calcutta, now Kolkata, India, and showed an early aptitude for mathematics and science. He graduated from Presidency College in Calcutta with a degree in physics, laying the foundation for his interdisciplinary approach to statistics. Mahalanobis began his pioneering work in statistics, developing novel techniques and applications in the 1920s and 1930s. His pioneering work in multivariate analysis are 1. Mahalanobis distance. Mahalanobis introduced the concept of Mahalanobis distance, a statistical measure of the distance between a point and a distribution, which has become a fundamental tool in multivariate analysis. 2. Multivariate sampling. He pioneered the use of multivariate sampling techniques, which allowed for the simultaneous analysis of multiple variables, revolutionizing fields like market research and quality control. 3. Interdisciplinary approach. Mahalanobis' work bridged the gap between statistics and other fields, applying statistical methods to problems in physics, anthropology, economics, and more. His contribution in different journals. Sankhya, the Indian Journal of Statistics, was founded 2 years later. Mahalanobis' influence was so ubiquitous that even students of physics began to take interest in statistics. He was the editor of Sankhya from 1933 to 1972. The first computer of the country was installed in ISI in 1960. Subsequently, ISI made significant contributions to the development of advanced numerical algorithms. Mahalanobis' mastery over empirics was exemplary, as illustrated in using the method of fractal graphical analysis of consumption data, which was published in Econometrica, 1960. His contribution in establishing the Indian Statistical Institute. In 1931, Mahalanobis founded the Indian Statistical Institute, ISI, which became a hub for statistical research, education, and application in India. The ISI provided training and education in statistics, nurturing a new generation of Indian statisticians and data analysts. The ISI fostered a multidisciplinary approach, bringing together experts from various fields to tackle complex problems using statistical methods. The ISI played a crucial role in shaping India's statistical landscape and informing policymaking through its research and expertise. His contributions to planning and development. Mahalanobis served as a member of the Planning Commission, contributing his statistical expertise to India's 5-year plans and economic development strategies. He pioneered the use of large-scale socio-economic surveys to gather data and inform policymaking, transforming the way India approached development planning. Mahalanobis developed statistical models to analyze economic and social problems, providing data-driven insights that shaped India's economic and social policies. His collaboration with Rabindranath Tagore. Mahalanobis had a close intellectual collaboration with the renowned poet and polymath Rabindranath Tagore, exploring the intersection of statistics, social sciences, and the humanities. The two visionaries influenced each other's work, with Tagore's holistic perspectives informing Mahalanobis' approach to statistics and its application in societal development. Mahalanobis and Tagore engaged in deep philosophical discussions, exploring the interplay between quantitative analysis and qualitative humanistic understanding. His contributions in irrigation projects. Professor Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis was again called upon to tackle the problem of flooding after two devastating floods, one in North Bengal in 1922 and the other in Odisha in 1926. This led him to undertake extensive statistical studies of rainfall and floods in Bengal and Odisha covering a span of about 60 years. The studies yielded some of the basic calculations that were later used for the two hydroelectric and irrigation projects in Hirakud and Damodar Valley. These are honors and accolades which he received. Padma Vibhushan, which is India's second highest civilian award, conferred in 1968. He was chosen as the Fellow of the Royal Society, elected in 1945 for his pioneering work in statistics. Srinivasa Ramanujan Medal he was awarded by the Indian National Science Academy in 1964. Numerous honorary doctorates received from universities across India and around the world. His legacy and impact on Indian statistics. Mahalanobis' work revolutionized the field of statistics in India, establishing it as a crucial tool for national development and policymaking. Through the Indian Statistical Institute, Mahalanobis trained and mentored generations of Indian statisticians, leaving a lasting impact on the country's statistical capabilities. Mahalanobis' pioneering contributions and visionary leadership have solidified his place as the father of Indian statistics, inspiring future generations of statisticians and researchers. Next few slides are pictures of his contribution in National Planning Commission in India and other his contribution in statistics in India as well as his representatives in well-known world organizations like United Nations and USSR. We are really proud of him and we should learn many things from father of Indian statistics' legacy. Thank you very much for your kind attention.